Welcome, friends. Mac and cheese or macaroni and cheese is kids' favorite food. It is creamy and cheesy. Well, the simple and easy mac and cheese recipe requires macaroni, butter, milk and cheese only. However, my son would like to add chicken, corn and carrot into the mac and cheese. I believe these ingredients will add more benefits to the simple mac and cheese recipe. In addition to carbohydrate from the macaroni pasta, the kids will get calcium from the milk and cheese, protein from the chicken fillets, vitamin A and E from carrot and corn, respectively. You can find the full recipe in the description below. Meanwhile, let my son cook his homemade easy mac and cheese for his lunch today. Sometimes, it is good to let the child cook his own meal, with our little help and safety precautions. I believe this will help to enhance their skills and confidence. So, enjoy the video, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting videos and simple cooking recipes. Together we learn to be better in whatever we do. Happy cooking, everyone.